Here is our list of the top 5 best small phones you can get right now. The iPhone SE4 is a major upgrade for fans of compact and affordable iPhones. It features a modern 6.1-inch OLED display inspired by the iPhone 14 and is powered by the A18 Bionic chip with 8GB of RAM, offering top-tier performance for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. The 48-megapixel main camera supports 2x optical zoom and deep fusion for high-quality photos, while the 12-megapixel front camera enables excellent selfies and Face ID. A larger 4,200 mAh battery supports MagSafe and fast charging. Priced from $499, it offers great value in a small high-performance package. The Xiaomi 15 delivers flagship performance in a compact 6.3-inch body with a stunning LTPO AMOLED display, featuring 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Elite or MediaTek Dimensity 9400, depending on the region, ensuring smooth performance for gaming, editing, and daily tasks. Its triple 50-megapixel camera system includes a periscope telephoto lens and an ultra-wide sensor for versatile high-quality photography. The 5,500 mAh battery supports blazing fast 90-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, reaching full charge in under 30 minutes. The Xiaomi 15 is a top choice for compact flagship lovers. The Google Pixel 9a is a top mid-range smartphone offering the Pixel experience in a compact design. It features a 6.3-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth, vibrant visuals. Powered by the Tensor G4 chip, it delivers fast AI-optimized performance. The standout 48-megapixel main camera, enhanced by Google's computational photography, captures stunning images even in low light, while the ultra-wide lens adds versatility. Its 5,100 mAh battery provides over 30 hours of use, with fast charging support. Priced at $499, the Pixel 9a is an excellent choice for users seeking great cameras and battery life. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is a powerful compact Android phone, featuring a 6.2-inch AMOLED display with Full HD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, excelling in gaming, multitasking, and daily use. The impressive camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Its 4,000 mAh battery offers up to 37 hours of mixed usage and supports 45-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. With 7 years of software updates, the Galaxy S25 provides a premium long-lasting Android experience. The iPhone 17 Air is Apple's most advanced compact phone, featuring an ultra-thin portless design with under-display Face ID for a sleek modern look. Its 6.1-inch ProMotion OLED display offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, enhancing the user experience. Powered by the A19 Bionic chip, it delivers exceptional speed and efficiency for gaming, video editing, and multitasking. The new periscope lens enables 10x optical zoom, ideal for high-quality long-range photography. It also introduces next-gen MagSafe for faster wireless charging. For those seeking a futuristic, powerful, and compact device, the iPhone 17 Air stands out as the best small flagship of the year.